So guys, gold is down 30% from its all-time high of $5,600, and a lot of the investors are in panic right now and they are selling out their gold and booking up their profits, and many retailers are in loss right now and worried what to do, whether to sell or hold up their position. Gold, as we all know, is said to be the safest asset in the world, and right now the panic is happening up in the gold market itself. So I'll be telling you in this particular video the reason for this dump, and by the end of this particular video you'll be having a clear knowledge and understanding regarding the position of the gold right now, and you will have your answer whether to hold, buy more, or sell off your gold and book your profit. So gold reaching $6,000 by the end of this year, is it still a dream or can it be a reality? We'll be finding out in this particular video. And welcome back to Nitro on Crypto. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Before starting today's video, let me tell you I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes, so make sure you consult your own financial advisor before taking any decision financially. So gold has reached its all-time high in the month of January, and from that date it has been dumping hard. So within just 6 months it has dropped almost 30%, as you can see here, and it's currently at a very crucial level of $4,000. So let us find out what exactly was the reason for this particular dump. So the first and foremost reason is the rising interest rate. So as we all know, gold is a non-yielding asset, which means you are not going to get dividends or interest for just holding it. So when central bank increase the interest rate to fight inflation, other assets like government bonds starts offering high yields. So these high yields which I'm talking about are a guaranteed return. So what investors do is that they sell off their gold and start investing here so that they can get a guaranteed return, and they also put their money into saving accounts, which also gives their interest rate. This all happens because of the rise in interest rates. So coming up to our second reason is a strong US dollar. As we all know, gold is usually priced in US dollar and they have an inverse relationship with the dollar. So whenever gold goes up, the dollar goes down. Whenever dollar goes up, eventually the gold goes down. So in that case, when the US economy is strong, the dollar gains value, gold automatically becomes much more expensive for the foreign investors, and this eventually causes the global demand of gold to drop, which obviously drags the gold price down. So coming up to the third reason is cash panic and margin calls. During the sudden effect of war and during the sudden crash of a stock market, big hedge funds and institutional investors lose their money rapidly, and when these big investors owe money on their losing stock position, they desperately need cash quickly, and to get the cash they are forced to liquidate everything they have, even the safest asset, that is gold, which creates temporarily sharp crash in gold price. And looking into that, retailers come in panic and they also start selling up their gold. And also after a record-breaking high which gold has touched, big institutions always book up their profit, or you can say lock in their gains. When these thousands of investors lock their position, or you can say sell off in profit, it eventually also crashes. So since every market has their own cycle, I think gold has also its own cycle. After reaching its all-time high, this correction is very healthy for me. And when the markets flip, when the interest rate again goes down, banks stop giving their yields, people again start investing their money into gold. And obviously when the dollar falls, global investments also come into gold, and this will also push the price higher. So for me, according to me, gold is always a safe asset for me. And if you are someone who is in a loss position right now and you are in no emergency of selling your funds, this would be an ideal time for you to have patience and hold up your position. So if I was in your position, this would be exactly what I would be doing. Again, not a financial advice. I personally am buying right now at this level. I have bought some at $4,000, and if it goes little more down, also again I'm going to buy. But I have a good long-term expectation in gold that it will be always a safe asset for the global market. So hope you guys have understood this particular video. I have explained you in detail what are the reasons for the recent crash and how it can overcome. So whatever I said was only for educational purposes. This is not a financial advice. So make sure you consult your own financial advisor before investing into crypto and other markets, because because markets are subjected to risk and you need to consult your own financial advisor before investing into the market. So that's all for today's video, guys. So if you have any doubts, don't forget to mention that in the comment section. I'll be meeting you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.